Amazon Prime Days are back, and because so many of you have asked, I'm going to not only show you the sale price, I'm also going to show you the price history of each item, so you'll know if the Prime Day sale is worth jumping on. All products will be linked down below in the video description for your convenience, so let's get right into it. Camco is running a sale on the Rhino Extreme sewer hose kits. These are their top of the line sewer hoses, the ones you can drive over. There's two kits. Both come with the clear elbow that connects to the sewer, but one comes with a hose Y for those of you with two sewer pipes coming off of your RV. They are both the same price at $76.49, so you might as well get the kit with the hose splitter in case you ever have an RV with two sewer pipes. The high price in the last year is $99.99. The low is $76.49, so this is a good Prime Day deal. The DeWalt 142-piece mechanics toolkit is next. Lots of useful tools for repairs and maintenance on the road. Everything in one place, easy to store and access when you need them. The high price has been $159.99, the low at $108.77. The sale price is $109, so worth looking at if you want a nice toolkit for the RV and the tow vehicle. HaloView is running a sale on 9 of their systems. I will add links to all of them below, but I want to show you at least the system I use, which is their BT7 TPMS. This is a 7-inch touchscreen monitor that comes with one camera. You can add 3 more cameras for a total of 4, and it comes with 4 TPMS sensors, so all your cameras and tire readings are on one screen. This makes things super convenient, less equipment and clutter on your dash. All the systems are 20% off. This system is down to $479, which is the lowest price we've seen all the way back in November of last year. Now, full disclaimer, some of the prices I was given may change after this video is released, so if the sale price does change from the information I was given, you'll still know if this is a good deal or not because you'll have the price history. The Camco Rhino Blaster tank rinser is on sale. I've demoed this in a couple videos. In my opinion, it's the easiest way to backfill, rinse, and clean the stuff out of the waste tanks that doesn't always come out on the first dump. The high price in the last year was $61.80. The low price has been down to $40.74, but it's been steady in 2026 at $45.39. I don't know the sale price on this one, but anything lower than $45.39 is probably what you want to look for. Another Camco accessory that has become extremely popular is their EvoFlex 2 drinking water safe hose. The sale is on their 50-footer, no lead, no BPA, super lightweight, and I think the popularity is due to it being a collapsible hose. Less likely to kink and takes up much less storage space than a traditional rubber hose. The high price on this over the last year has been $43.28. The low is $31.26, which seems to be their holding price this year. Liquefied toilet treatment products will be discounted to 20% off. I've personally been using this treatment for a couple years now. The lowest price has been $19.97. The Prime Day sale at $19.99, while at 2 cents higher, is essentially the best price we've seen and worth picking up now if you need to restock. Also, their bundles will be 25% off at $56.22. Not the lowest we've seen, but still a discount from the everyday price. The next one isn't necessarily an RV accessory, but I know a lot of RVers are adding these. The Ring doorbell camera hits the list. It's only ever been one price, $100, on sale for Prime Day, 50% off at only $50. For sewer hose supports, Camco has 2 popular types. The Rhino model, which is a rigid support. The low price on this has been down to $32.26, so at $48.44, it's not the best price we've seen, but still cheaper than what it normally sells for at $56.99. Their other supports are the Sidewinders. They come in 10, 20, and 30-foot lengths. In my opinion, your best bet is to just go with a 20-footer. The low price has been $39.98. The sale price is $37.99. This is a good deal if you need to pick up a sewer hose support. The Perfect Tear paper towel holder by Kamenstein can be mounted to a wall or a cabinet to save your limited counter space. It's got tension bars to hold the paper towels in place, and the rolling mechanism is also under tension, so no unraveling on drive days. The low price was $9.96 all the way back in October of 2025. It normally sells for $15, so on sale at $10.99, I say it's a decent deal. They also have a countertop version on sale. The high was $39.90, the low price was $21.99, and that is the current sale price. Camco's Taste Pure water filter 4-pack is reduced a little. The low has been $37.99, but that was all the way back in July of 2025. I believe the sale will be at $47.59, not the lowest yearly price, but this year these hold steady at around $56, so a decent savings, but not the lowest price we've seen in the last year. Unique Camping is putting a bunch of their tank treatments and cleaners on sale. I'll put a link to all of them down below, but the two I want to focus on today are the RV Digested Ultra Toilet Treatment. They state this is a much stronger and now less expensive treatment than their popular Digested Plus. List price is $23.99 for the 32 ounce. The lowest price in the last year was $17.59. The high price has been steady at $21.99. At 20% off, you're at $17.59. The other product from Unique is their silicone toilet brush. You don't want to use a hard bristle residential toilet brush on an RV toilet. It can damage the valve seal. This brush is designed for RV toilets and it comes with a no drip wall holder. The lowest price in the last year was $13.99. It'll be discounted 40% for Prime Day, so it will come in at $9 to $10. Definitely the best deal you'll get, but the 40% off only applies to the first 200 brushes. I'm assuming these are gonna go pretty quick. Another useful tool is the Klein 14-in-1 screw and nut driver. I own a few Klein tools, awesome quality, super convenient, and this takes up almost no space. Everything you'll need in a screwdriver, including the number 2 square or Robertson bit you'll find all over the RV. The low price on this was $21.97, on sale at $17.99. I only have their 11-in-1, so at this price I'll probably be picking one up too. And Klein actually has a lot of tools on sale this year, so definitely worth taking a look. Okay, all of the Noco jump starters are reduced. There's a bunch of these, so I won't cover them individually. They are sized based on your engine. I have the GB150 since it will handle up to 7-liter diesel engines, and it's easy to determine which jump pack will work for your engine right in the Amazon listing. The sale prices on these for Prime Day are not the lowest we've seen, but they are only about $5 to $10 in difference from the 1-year low. They're also much lower than the steady price, so if you don't want to depend on having another vehicle to jump your battery, this is the way to go, and in my experience, Noco makes a fantastic product. The Beach Lane Wireless RV Leveler is on sale again. This will tell you the current real-time pitch and roll levels of your RV via Bluetooth on a phone app. When you pair this with leveling ramps, it makes leveling your trailer as easy as cradling your phone and driving on your ramps until the app tells you you're level sideways. Place your chocks, disconnect the truck, and then raise or lower your tongue jack until the pitch reads level. It speeds up the manual leveling process, cuts down the time you have to spend setting up. The price history on this does show $79.99 during Prime Day last year, but the regular price last year was $89.99. The price of this unit has increased to $99.99 at the beginning of this year, so back down to $89.99. This is the lowest price you will get. This Prime Day sale is worth jumping on. Renogy always does a great job with Prime Day. They have a ton of items on sale. I was hoping they'd have LFP batteries on sale. Unfortunately, I don't see any on the list, but lots of solar panels, DC to DC chargers, and inverters. There's a lot, so I won't single any out, but the ones I looked at were all discounted below the yearly price. I'll put a link to the Renogy products on sale down below. The DeWalt 20-volt cordless drill and impact driver lands on the Prime Day list. It comes with a bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. I own this kit. Everything works great. The low price was $126.65. On sale for less than $4 more at $129. Probably worth getting if you need some tools for the RV. Okay, if you travel with pets, you can get the Waggle 4G Pet Temperature Monitor Lite on sale for $79. This will monitor your interior temperature, humidity, and heat index. Everything can be monitored from your phone, and you can set custom thresholds that, if exceeded, will send you an alert as well. You don't need Wi-Fi in your RV, but you will need a cellular subscription with this monitor, which starts at $16.50 per month. The lowest this has been was $70 back in late 2025. The sale price is $79. Not the lowest price, but it is the lowest price in 2026. Waggle also has their 4G LTE security camera on sale. Same deal with the monitor. You will need a cellular subscription, but you can use this to keep an eye on your pets or use it as a security camera inside or outside your RV. The low price in the last year was $49. It normally lists for $99, currently on sale at 10% off for $89. Not even close to the low price back in November of 2025, but still a little bit of a discount. The Diamond Forge 330-pound capacity telescoping ladder is on sale if you don't have a ladder on your rig. The price on this fluctuates all over the place, but the year low has been $87 and it's on sale sale for $84.99. If you're looking to upgrade to a heavy-duty rubber wheel chock, Max Haul has a pair of chocks on this list, 10 by 8 by 6. They come with an eye bolt if you want to add a rope. The lowest price in the year was $22.79, and they are currently on sale for $21.84. For your convenience, everything is linked down below in the video description. I hope this video helped save you some time and money, and we'll see you in the next one.